Hello, and thank you very much for your interest in the Ad Manager. I'm Armin, a Squarespace expert and co-founder of this project. What we currently look at is the website dashboard, where you can connect multiple Squarespace websites with your account and then run campaigns on it with ease. Here we see the status of each campaign along with its dedicated performance data. We can also dwell deeper into daily playouts or even see the data of those individual campaign assets. So let's create first websites together. We click Add Website. We select the title. And now we need the Squarespace domain. And this is what we just copy paste from the Squarespace editor. Here we have our new site. And now we need to create our first campaign. Now go through a very easy 5-step process that makes sure everything is set and ready. First, we can choose the campaign type. We can choose between the always on versus you can also set start and end date for campaigns. The budget mode gives you also the option to go with daily budgets or cost per click. And the multi-asset rotation, for instance, gives you the chance to play either multiple assets on one campaign, either randomly or sequential, or just apply more dedicated A/B testing. In this case, for this demonstration, we keep it simple and go with the always on and go through the next step. This is my campaign name, and this is behind glass. And then I go into the assets, and the Ad Manager gives you plenty of options to choose from to make sure your ads shine in the right light. Let's go with 1:1 aspect ratio, and then we can select for the individual placement. Code block means that I can now place this ad anywhere on my website. For instance, let's say we want to directly add it here. Next, we upload the asset. I already prepared them for this demonstration. Then we select the click-through URL, test.com, and we proceed with another asset. Next, we choose the 8:1 banner that also comes with additional options to put the ads directly into the header of the website or even make it sticky. We go with the classic header, and then we can upload the asset. Assuming the file you have that does not instantly match the recommended formats, you can use our free FileFast tool that will give you the option to upload a file, and you can then apply dedicated cropping or setting directly to your needs by using the demo file already prepared. And we go with test.com, but we have also the possibility now to limit the playout to certain pages. I say specific pages only, and now I just have to give the system the information what page we should use. In my case, let's say gallery. So I just copy the URL into the input box, and then I can proceed. Next, depending on where you are located, you might have some legal obligations to label the ads as such. In this case, we give you the tools to place this information at or sponsored paid advertisements directly on the page. You can also set a custom wording for that. And as you see here, the advertisement is overlapping with my content, so I rather put it to the right side. And in step 5, for the first campaign to install the script, you directly get a shortcut on where to put the code. This will open the code injection of this dedicated website. And we directly get here, we have the header injection, just copy paste our script. Super easy. Meanwhile, we can proceed with the dedicated asset. Go back into our Squarespace website, go to the spot that we want to use it. And here now we need to create a dedicated block that is called a code block. Very simple. It will just give you an empty box. and you can now put this code into the box. You can also set the size for your ad by defining how big this box is. I save my update and return to the ad manager and tell it that I now completed the steps. It told me the load has confirmed and my ads have been applied. The setup looks good, and let's launch our campaign. So now back on the website, we see the ad has been played, and voila, it now puts this banner directly and only on that dedicated page. And it already gives me impressions and my clicks in real time.